thank you for returning to Lolly's World. Today we're going to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Let's go!
Potty first, though? No potty?
See this guy?
Yeah, of course.
Is it a walrus?
No, it's like a tiny. You're supposed to upset everybody. So that's not acceptable. Yeah, it's should we go in here? It says enter. This one. Should we go that way? Or you just want to go forward?
Let's go that way. And then we'll continue to go forward. Whoa, what is that? That looks like a lion.
Really only after Monty's last that house was voted to University of Release today.
Understanding explosion has been one of the great challenges of modern paleontology.
Much of the last 35 years looking at rocks in the first million years of extinction of dinosaurs. After 35 years, I think I've found one or two possible experiences.
The finds from that crucial moment of mammal evolution have been notoriously fragmentary and scarce. Until, that is, paleontologist Tiger Leeson landed a job at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science.
Sites from around the globe, where the movements of the sky are reflected in words.
Wow! That's
Stand on this pad, and you choose a rocket, and this is the engine, and this blue part is supposed to vibrate.
Click go.
5,
Come to the blue part.
3, 2, 1. Main engine start, 0, and the Atlas V
You can
Curiosity.
feel the radiation of it when it goes off.
This is what the ground.
Lifelong markers.
That's what we're doing.
maybe you should stand on the rug and see how it feels.
Yeah.
The third sun was inhabited by people who ate seeds and ended with a rain of fire. The people of the fourth sun were transformed into fish in the great flood that ended their era. When the time came to create the fifth sun, the gods gathered around the sacrificial fire, but none would jump in. The rich and proud god Tecuztecatl began to step forward, but in a moment of uncertainty, paused to reconsider. In this moment of hesitation, the humble and poor god Nanahuatzin leaped into the flames and became the new sun. Not willing to be bested by such a lowly deity, Tecuztecatl jumped into the fire too and became a second sun. Seeing that two suns would overwhelm the world, the other deities decided to throw a rabbit at Tecuztecatl, and he became the moon. That is why you can still see a rabbit in the moon today. The god of the wind, Ehecatl, inhaled deeply and blew the sun and moon into motion. This is the sun and moon we see in our sky today.
The Cowherd and the Weaver Girl is one of China's 4 great folk tales. It was first written down over 2,600 years ago in Shijing, or Classic of Poetry. In the heavens, it is forbidden for stars to love each
It's
other.
like a
When
campfire.
the Empress of Heaven heard the Weaver Star, her granddaughter, was in love with the Cowherd Star, the two stars were banished and forced to labor alone. The two toiled for many years until one day, a fateful meeting at Bilian reunited the estranged lovers. The two were married, and soon their family grew to include a son and daughter. Years passed in happiness until one day, the cowherd found his loyal ox collapsed and dying. The ox spoke, telling the cowherd to keep his hide because it would allow him to fly to the heavens one day. The cowherd did as the ox asked, and then buried his old friend. Suddenly, the sky became dark with soldiers from the heavens. The Empress had finally found the two stars in their family. The soldiers flew down, took the lever, and came flying back to the heavens. The cowherd, still holding the ox hide, grabbed his two children and leapt into the air after the weaver. Just before their hands grasped each other, the Empress of Heaven appeared, and with the wave of her hairband, she created the Milky Way between them. The separated family gazed through the impenetrable barrier and cried out with unending sorrow. The cries of the family drew pity from the other stars, and eventually even the Empress herself, who allowed the family to live as stars in the sky. She allowed the family to visit only one day of each year, on the 7th day of the 7th month. On that day, countless magpies form a bridge to reunite them in the skies. This day is celebrated in China today as the Qi Ji Festival.
This area is for our youngest explorers, ages 5 and under. 5?
That's that way.
Should we do the moon?
You're supposed to smell this for a time. You press the button and then you smell what's coming out of
You
it.
have to press the button and then you smell, and it smells like, I guess, what
This one smells sweet, like candy.
Smell it, Mommy. Smell this one. Smell it.
Maybe that's why I have lots of color.
Yeah, that one smells good. It smells like
The Maastricht. There's more on this side and on the... I guess we should have started with this one. Did I just cut you off?
Oh no.
Okay. Ooh, that one doesn't smell nice.
What is she doing?
This one does not smell nice, or does?
No.
It doesn't.
This one smells like iron. Oh! It's me, I see myself.
See yourself in
It's so cold.
That's cool.
This is
Turn on nothing.
I'm a cold-hearted creature.
Where are you even?
There you are.
Lift your hands up.
Look at our glasses.
Lodo, you look like you have a gun. No, it's a camera.
Look, your hair is getting green.
My hair's getting green.
My hair is green too.
Nice.
Because your hair is not as
Yeah, it's just kind of showing where we like to live. How easy is it kind of predator, fine, it's going for a lot of things.
goodbye.
It says, can you find them?
Museum time.
I think I see a wing. Are they brown butterflies?
No. So look at this red flower. See, there's a little butterfly on it. Not the closest one to us, but that second one.
Oh yeah.
And there's
Here's
little
the
bugs in the
Mahala.
yellow flowers.
On the branch. Right here.
A caterpillar, no.
There is a caterpillar. There's a butterfly right there. And a moth right there. And there's the caterpillar.
Look at the clock. The clock button.
I know, it says museum time on it.
Now.
My understanding is that they fenced off the area.
I mean, for them to keep building, where they were going, they're going to keep building the building. So they can finish what they had, but then they had to ready everything else.
Sinking out there? Oh, look at all this stuff. I want to go to... Look, this is deer. Let's see what happens in the
Who used to drive less than 10 miles from here? Back into time. Back to what this land was like just 150 years ago. When
Tatanka!
roamed free.
From the buffalo. near to the bears in Chimamai. Listen to 2 angry grizzlies. That's 2 angry grizzlies for you. And then the cold harder pictures. So all around the museum there's this little machines that would tell you information about the animals that you see, or like little flaps that people can flip and get information. Like this one, the paw of the mountain lion, the poop, and then who was here? It was an elk. It was an elk. Oh, I guess the poop belongs to the elk. This is just the paw of the bighorn sheep, but this is the poop, and you have to decide by the paw who it is. And it's the mountain lion. Whose paw is right there. These ones are elk. It's an elk. That's what the elk sounds like. It's an elk. He's calling. This is a mountain lion and a mountain lion calf eating a deer.
It's easy to find the spots. Yes.
And here are the other 2 calves. One there and one there. Coming out for a meal. Keeping track of wildlife. Bighorn sheep. This is the symbol of Colorado, the bighorn sheep.
Tag, and researchers use those to find out what they're doing. And this is their, no, this is their hook.
Their skulls are so small compared to their large sizes. Elk, female elk. This is a mountain lion skull. That's the mountain lion. I guess that makes sense. This is a bighorn sheep right there. Chipmunks and squirrels. Canadian lynx. Maybe we'll see some of them if we're in Canada.
Look! Snow leopard!
That's right.
Snow leopard!
That's actually a Canadian lynx. That's close though.
You can sit on your rocking chair and look at the wolves. The sheep looking this way and the wolves looking that way. To see snow. Or you want this sheep. Mountain goat. So everything has a little bit about the animal.
Look at the buffalo.
Other things are buffalo.
It says
Muskox.
So it's masking from a circle for defense, a tactic that works well against all predators except humans. Oh, it says they form a circle. So they see how they're standing kind of like in a circle. almost, like their butts are all touching each other.
Uh-huh.
That's to protect themselves. It says the wolves will try to make the mouse cows stampede so they can separate the slow one from the herd.
These are stone sheep. These ones are caribou. Wolverines. And this is a mink. Back in the day, people would kill so many of this to make a cut. This one's just watching them all fight over the fish. And the birds are laughing.
That little guy snuggled in there.
That's called a hairy-tailed mole.
Flying squirrel. And the hairy one. This is the bird
Springtime
field.
in the Great Smokies.
So there's skunks.
Oh, there's
There's
two
a red
sticks.
bird talking to something down there.
It's a chipmunk.
A chickmunk? What's a chickmunk? A bird and two songs.
Those are the bird flying too, if you can see it. Right? Do you see this green tree thing that's like curved?
Oh yeah, I
This is
see
a
it.
bird there.
The mermaids. Mermaids or half human.
Look.
Half towel.
It says the mermaids that Christopher Columbus reported seeing in the Caribbean were most likely manatees.
Although the elephant is much longer, they use them in similar ways.
You have a book about these that Grandma Elsie got for you.
There's a moose.
And Mr. Porcupine.
Look, there's an armadillo over here.
And a shark. Oh, look at this guy. That's who we were discovering.
Who?
This guy.
The mountain lion?
No, it was like that guy with open
Yeah,
teeth.
this one is a mountain.
Look at that shark. Looks weird. Ooh, this is...
See how big the moose is? That's the size of the moose that we saw at camping.
They're Shopka's best friend.
This is... I have to knock out it. Oh, look at the turtle.
Turtle?
Turtle.
Don't you mean me?
Let's look. Yes, please. No, see,
Beavers.
there's 3 beavers. They're
Can you see the beaver's tooth marks on there?
yeah, they're right there.
Maybe right there.
Yeah, well, this wood chip is fake. And guess what? Let's look at it. Ooh, it's a
I don't
bucket.
think they're
Not a
wolves.
wolf. What is it? Read.
Coyote.
Yeah, coyotes.
That was the coyote.
This one has no button.
No, you can make a shadow puppet. Look, they're teaching you how to make a wolf or a dog and how to make a duck.
No, you got the
Duck, a butterfly,
What'd you make?
bunny.
So there is shadows.
Yeah, so it says this one is a goose, a bat, a moose, a rabbit, and coyote.
That's a fine. So you make that.
Yeah, huh?
Oh, did you see the white fox?
My fox doesn't make any sound. Look at the little things buried in there.
They're probably hibernating.
Yeah, this.
Who are these?
These are that's chick feathers. Or
No.
those real bunnies you see behind there. I think this is. Come on, Lola.
I'm coming.
Well, at least there's no background in there.
Hello, White.
Whitetail.
Sit
Yeah,
here.
Whitetail.
There's sick.
This is like things that people built a long time ago.
Okay. What a monster.
That would be a
We're in Australia right now. Here's the kangaroo with the baby.
What's the parent?
It's probably a relative of a, it's like a part of you.
South Pacific Islands.
Now let's see. Let's see.
Some birdies. Sea lions.
Okay,